Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're diving deep into the awesome world of mechanical engineering. We're breaking down the hottest mechanical engineering jobs, from traditional roles to stuff that sounds straight out of Star Wars. So, grab your hard hat and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the OG mechanical engineering jobs, the ones that built the world we know and love. First up, we've got design engineers. These are the masterminds behind everything from sleek sports cars to those ridiculously complicated factory machines. They're the ones sketching up blueprints, running simulations, and making sure things don't fall apart when you turn them on. In India, a design engineer can expect to earn somewhere between 4 to 7 lakhs per year starting out, while in the US, you're looking at around $60,000 to $80,000. Next, we've got manufacturing engineers. The folks who take those designs and turn them into actual, things. They're the ones optimizing production lines, figuring out the most efficient way to build stuff, and making sure quality stays top-notch. Salaries in India for manufacturing engineers start around 3 to 6 lakhs, while in places like Germany, they can make around 40 to 60,000 euros. Now, if you're a gearhead like me, you're probably thinking about automobile engineering. Designing cars, bikes, trucks. These engineers are the heart and soul of the automotive industry. You're looking at around 5 to 8 lakhs starting salary in India, and over in the UK, those numbers jump to 30 to 40,000 pounds. But hey, maybe you'd rather reach for the stars, literally. Aerospace engineers, the rock stars who design and build aircraft, spacecraft, and everything in between. In India, aerospace engineers earn around 6 to 10 lakhs to start, while in the US, you're looking at a cool $70,000 to $90,000. Let's not forget our friends, the quality control engineers. They're the guardians of awesomeness, making sure products meet all the standards and regulations. In India, they earn around 3 to 5 lakhs starting out, while in countries like Canada, they can expect to make around 45 to 65,000 Canadian dollars. HVAC engineers are the unsung heroes of comfortable living, designing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. In India, HVAC engineers make around 4 to 7 lakhs to start, and in places like Australia, those numbers climb to 50 to 70,000 Australian dollars. All right, buckle up because we're shifting gears into the future of mechanical engineering. These next few jobs are all about cutting-edge technology and solving some of the world's biggest challenges. First up, we've got renewable energy engineers, the superheroes battling climate change by designing and implementing solar, wind, and other sustainable energy systems. In India, they're in high demand, with starting salaries around 5 to 9 lakhs. Over in Germany, a global leader in renewable energy, you're looking at 45 to 65,000 euros to start. Next, we have 3D printing and additive manufacturing engineers, the wizards who are revolutionizing manufacturing by building objects layer by microscopic layer. In India, they can earn around 6 to 10 lakhs starting out, while in the US, salaries start around $65,000 to $85,000. Now let's talk about AI and machine learning in manufacturing. These engineers are bringing intelligence to machines, optimizing processes, and making factories smarter than ever before. This field is exploding globally, and in India, these engineers can earn 8 to 15 lakhs starting out, while in tech hubs like Silicon Valley, salaries start at a mind-blowing $100,000 or more. Autonomous vehicles. Engineers are shaping the future of transportation. They're the ones designing self-driving cars, trucks, and even planes. It's a highly competitive field, and in India, these engineers can earn 7 to 14 lakhs to start, while in the US, salaries start around $80,000 to $100,000. All right, let's talk about breaking down walls. Career walls, that is. These next few jobs show how mechanical engineering skills can combine with other fields to create some seriously cool and in-demand careers. First up, we've got mechatronics engineering, Think robots, automation, smart systems. It's where mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering collide. In India, mechatronics engineers earn around 5 to 8 lakhs starting out, while in countries like Germany, known for its automation prowess, you could be looking at 40 to 60,000 euros. Next, we have energy engineering. These folks are tackling the world's growing energy demands by designing and implementing efficient energy systems, from power plants to renewable energy sources. It's a global challenge, and in India, energy engineers earn around 4 to 7 lakhs to start, while in the US, salaries start around $60 to $80,000. And for those with a passion for both engineering and medicine, biomedical engineering is the perfect blend. Hot industries where mechanical engineers are in high demand. All right, let's talk about where the jobs are. Certain industries are always hungry for talented mechanical engineers, both in India and abroad. In India, the automobile industry is booming, with major global players setting up shop. Aerospace and defense is another hot sector, with India investing heavily in its space program and defense capabilities. The manufacturing and production sector is huge in India, with everything from textiles to electronics being produced. Energy and power plants are crucial for India's growth, creating a constant demand for engineers to design and maintain them. And finally, the oil and gas industry offers lucrative opportunities for engineers, especially in offshore exploration and production. Looking abroad, the automotive industry remains a major employer of mechanical engineers, particularly in countries like Germany, Japan, and the US. The aerospace industry is another global powerhouse, with companies like Boeing, Airbus, and SpaceX constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Level up, boosting your career with education and certifications. Okay, so you've landed your dream mechanical engineering job. Congratulations! But the journey doesn't end there. If you want to climb the career ladder and unlock even more opportunities, continuing your education and earning certifications is key. First up, let's talk about that master's degree. A specialized master's in fields like automotive engineering, aerospace engineering, or robotics can give you a serious edge in the job market. It shows employers you're serious about your craft and have the advanced skills they're looking for. Now, an MBA might seem like an unusual choice for engineers, but hear me out. An MBA teaches you all about business, management, and leadership, skills that can be incredibly valuable as you move up in your career. It's a powerful combination that can open doors to management and executive positions. But it's not just about degrees. Certifications are like badges of honor in the engineering world, proving you've got the skills to pay the bills. Six Sigma, for example, shows you're a master of quality control and process improvement. Show me the money salary comparison. India versus abroad. All right, let's talk about the thing everyone's thinking about. Salary. While money isn't everything, it's definitely a factor when considering career options. So, let's compare how mechanical engineering salaries stack up in India versus other countries. For entry-level engineers, salaries in India tend to be lower compared to developed countries. This is due to factors like cost of living, currency exchange rates, and overall economic conditions. However, the gap narrows as you gain experience and climb the career ladder. In India, an entry-level mechanical engineer can expect to earn around 3 to 8 lakhs per year, while in the US, that number jumps to $60,000 to $90,000. In Germany, it's around 40,000 to 60,000 euros, and in the UK, it's 30,000 to 40,000 pounds. For mid-level engineers with 5 to 10 years of experience, salaries in India range from 6 to 15 lakhs per year, while in the US, they can earn around $80,000 to $120,000. So, there you have it. A deep dive into the awesome world of mechanical engineering careers both in India and abroad. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your career to the next level, I hope this video has given you some valuable insights and inspiration. Remember, the most important thing is to follow your passion, work hard, and never stop learning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more career insights and tips. See you in the next video.